everyone, I hope you're doing great. I'm Shalina and I can say this is our first movies characters makeup tutorial. So I hope you like it, and today we're going to be
Harley Quinn, nice to meet ya.
So let's get started. First of all, let me tell you that the Harley Quinn we're going to be is not like the movie. It's a combination of the cartoon and the movie one, these two. And the main idea behind this makeup isn't mine. I've seen it on Instagram and I can say it's the Frankenstein Harley Quinn. So I have to say well done to whoever that made this for the first time. First of all, I prefer to use a moisturizer today instead of primer because the cosmetics we're going to use today is completely dry. Well, before doing anything, I'm gonna use this wax, which is usually used for the cinema makeup, and then I'm gonna stitch on it with a black string. Alright, this is it. Now use something sharp like this and put some lines on the places that I put, like here. We're done with the wax. Sorry, it's really hard to talk with this thing on my face. And now I have to use foundation for this part of my face and this white color for this part. Alright, so we use some black and red for this part to make some kind of block. Okay, so before I fix this wax, I have to draw some kind of black circle around my eye. makeup is harder than I thought. And now we have to work on the eyes. This eyeshadow should be blue and this one should be red. And then we draw it to the bottom of my face, like, I don't know, like we're crying or something. First I use some light blue for my crease line. And then a darker blue for all the parts of my eye. Now I use black pencil and black eyeshadow for this part to draw a tiny eyeliner. Alright, and now for the blush, we need a pink blush for here and some kind of, I don't know, black eyeshadow you can use for here. Now I draw a heart and the word rotten here. Okay, I have to admit, writing wasn't my power. It's terrible. Okay, now I draw the lines and then stitch them. Okay, so before I stitch, I prefer to have my lipstick. On the middle part should be black and the outside should be red. Almost forgotten the mascara. okay? While you do the stitches, be very careful. So I'm not gonna talk anymore and just watch what I'm doing. Okay, some parts of this wax has been ruined, so I remade it, and now I want to cover it with white color and the foundation. Okay, it shouldn't be as neat as this, so I put some blood here, like for example. Alright guys, so this is our Frankenstein Harley Quinn. I hope you like it, and I'm gonna go get dressed and then I will be back. Guys, so this is the end of our Harley Quinn Frankenstein makeup. I hope you like it, and don't forget to tell me your opinion on this makeup in the comments, and tell me which character you want me to do the makeup for the next video. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends and like this video. Thank you so much. Bye.